This is Egress presents Sydney Boiler Room at the Horton Pavilion, Moore Park. We're gonna go ask some people some questions and we're gonna see what they're doing. Also, we're gonna ask them what X pill they own and shit like that. Is this still working? Yeah, we're gonna go check it out. Hella police everywhere. I'm fucking scared. There's so many fucking police. Look at this cop right now. We're about to get fucking pulled up on. Damn. Just joking, cunt. I'm not fuck. This is Egress presents Boiler Room Sydney.
Praise Jesus. God be with you.
It's going pretty well, but like, we only got here maybe an hour ago. I'm enjoying the scene.
Alright, we're here at the Boiler Room and it's pretty crazy right now, full crowd. I'm up on stage. Yeah, it's really good right now.
I'm on so much ketamine right now, it's fucking ridiculous. Don't send this to my parents.
What's your job?
I'm sound guy. I mix the sound.
Oh, nice. It sounds great. That was Boiler Room Sydney. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Comment down below. Let us know where you want to go next. Egress out. Boiler Room Sydney's done. Now everyone fuck off. Thank you. Everyone go away. Fuck off. Bye. Boiler Room Sydney's done. Oh. You still fucking here? Damn, alright. Why are you still here, bro? I guess I'll tell you about the new shows coming soon. We have 100 Gex, Young Lean, Pierre Bourne, Slow Tie, all coming soon. Egress. Watch it in the near future. Motherfucker. Egress out. Bye, bitch.